Good morning, dear students. Let's continue with Standard 8 Civics, Chapter 4 Understanding Laws. So, children, today we continue with page number 44, second paragraph. It has always been stated that the rule of law was introduced in India by the Britishers. So, Britishers has introduced the rule of law. But however, the historians have always disputed this fact on several grounds. So, two of this fact we are going to see. The first one is the colonial rule was arbitrary. Arbitrary meaning means in Hindi, children, it is manmani karna. So the Britishers rule was arbitrary, and second is the Indian nationalist has had an important role in developing British India's legal sphere. So we will see that in detail, children. Here the Sedition Act of 1870 was such that it continued to exist and was an example of arbitrariness by the Britishers. So the Britishers used to impose the rule on the Indian people, children. Any people who criticized or protested against the policy of the British, he could immediately get arrested without any trial. So without any trial, they were arresting the Indian people, children. So here, children, we can see here in one example here, you can see the picture. Okay, this is the picture of Jallianwala Bagh. Okay, in 6th standard we have studied about this, children. So the British general has opened fired. Okay, General Dyer has opened fired in Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, which we have studied in detail, and here in this paragraph it is given. You can read, children, how innocent people, women, including women and children, were brutally killed. Okay, massacre means brutally killing. So it is the Jallianwala Bagh massacre where people were brutally killed, and here is a painting which you can see how the open fire was there by the British people. So come back to the last paragraph. There it says, soon the Indian nationalists started opposing and criticizing the Britishers' arbitrary use of authority. So they were imposing the rules on Indian. So in Indian nationalists, they opposed and criticized Britishers. They demanded equality and wanted to change the aim of law from being some rules which were imposed upon the people of being an idea that promoted the aim of imparting justice. So the people, they demanded, nationalists, Indian nationalists, they demanded that the rule should not be imposed on the people, but it should give them justice, impart justice here. So in the next page you will see, as the 19th century ended, the legal profession in India also began to emerge. They gained respect for Indians in colonial courts. So Indians started they started taking up legal profession, children. They started taking the help of law to defend the rights of few fellow Indians. So these people started backing up the fellow Indians by taking the legal profession, means they started becoming judge or in the courts. We will see here. Even Indian judges had a great role in the process of decision making inside the colonial courts. So even the judges were taking the side of Indian. Hence, there existed several ways through which the Indians had started playing a major role in the evolution of rule of law during the British rule. So it started evolving, changing the rules of law during the British time. It started changing. Once independent India adopted a constituency These documents served as a foundation on the basis of which the Indian lawmakers and elected representatives started making law for India, children. Every year this representative pass many new laws, and they also make amendments in the current existing law. Amendments means, children, they started changing the law. Okay, some changes were made in the present laws, so they started amending the current existing laws. So in 6th standard we have seen, children, student might have studied about the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, which we have studied. It states that daughters, sons as well as their mothers have a right to get an equal share in the family properties. Apart from that, several new laws have been passed. So we have seen that about that these laws in standard 6, children. Hindu Amendment Law.